Yeah. It's been a ride.
To find a shirt for me.
Recording. This is my sister Brianne. This is going on YouTube. Do on your face. Holy crap, I got close. Find it! Your mouth shut there. You look like a little 2-year-old Brianne. You look like Find it! I don't know where it is. I told you all the places and you destroyed my drawers. You look under my bed. You're on the ground. Holy crap, you laugh. You're like, what the hell? I don't know where it is.
Okay, end the video or I will start hitting you.
Oh, do viewers want that? No, so you know, let's do it.
End the video or I will start hitting you.
Well, no. Oh,